All right, let's look at the homework 5.4, problem number 9. All right, so we have this definite integral, and we're gonna try to evaluate it by hand. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing I would do is I'm going to use substitution. I'm going to let u be, all right, the whole denominator. So you have x squared plus 2x minus 9, right? Going through the usual drills, so we take the derivative of u with respect to x. We're going to get, let's see, derivative of x squared would be 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. And derivative of negative 9 is 0, so I'm not going to write that. Since both of these guys have 2 in it, so I'm going to just pull out the 2. Right, so you have a 2 times quantity x plus 1, right? You pull out the 2 from there. All right, then I'm going to take the reciprocal of both sides. So basically just to put everyone upside down. So you have dx over du is equal to 1 over 2 times quantity x plus 1. All right, then we want to isolate dx, so we're going to multiply through by du. So we have dx is equal to du over 2 times quantity x plus 1. All right, and one more step. Since this is a definite integral, we have this lower limit and upper limit. So these values are x values. So x is going from 4 to 5. All right, we're going to have to convert these two values as a u value into u values. So u value is going to be, all right, so you have this substitution here. So we just need to plug it in. So if you plug in 4, all right, so we're going to get 4 squared. Maybe I'm going to do it on the side. All right, so it's going to be, if x is 4, you're going to have, let's see, 4 squared plus 2 times 4 minus 9, right, which is what, let's see, so it's a 16 plus 8 minus 9, so that'll be 15. All right, so we got 15, corresponding u value would be 15. All right, and if x is 5, u value would be 5 squared plus 2 times 5 minus 9. So this is 25 plus 10 minus 9. So this is 26, right? So we know that u is going from 15 to 26. All right, so let's rewrite the integral. So this integral is going to be integral from 15 to 26. All right, and then we decided to call the denominator u, so I'm going to put u here. And I'm going to leave x plus 1 as it is for now. All right, dx shows up right here. So dx is du over 2 times quantity x plus 1. So you have du over 2 times x plus 1. Right? So you can see that you have a common factor on top and bottom. You have x plus 1 on top and bottom, so we can cancel that out. All right, so you have a 1 over 2, so that's just a constant. So we can just place it right in front. So we're going to get a 1 over 2 integral from 15 to 26. right? It's a 1 over u du, right? As we know, the antiderivative, an antiderivative is of 1 over u is natural log of u, so you have 1/2. Right, so you have a natural log of absolute value of u, which is absolute value really doesn't do much in this case, but it's going from 15 to 26. Right, so this is going to be equal to, right, so you have a 1/2. Right, and then you plug in top number first, natural log of 26 minus natural log of 15. Right. If you want, we can probably write it this way. So subtraction outside the log using a log property, write it as the division. So natural log of 26 over 15. Right. So let's type it in. All right, we got 1/2 natural log of 26 over 15. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.